this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your activity on your PlayStation 4. So this will show up in the activity feed, what you're doing. So you can see I played Spotify, Battlefield 4, and from your profile too, so your friends don't see what you're doing. So let's go to Settings, Account Management, Privacy Settings, and then under here, go to Gaming/Media, and then we can select this, and it will give us the option now to go to the activities feed. And we can go to specific things on here, or we can just set this to no one. So no one can see what we're doing. So this will hide that from the activity feed. Then we can go to the gaming history, and we can hide our gaming history too, so no one can see what we're doing. Or we can go to a specific game, so hidden game right here, and just hide your games under this list. And you can hide individual games, or you can do all of them. So look at the settings. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.